Hello lovelies, how are you all doing? In today's video I'm going to make this delicious chicken stew, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in back, and if you are new here, you're highly welcome. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare our Nigerian chicken stew. So let's get started. So firstly, in our pot, we're going to add in our chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to be using stuffed chicken. So we're going to add in our chicken gradually, and after we're going to season our chicken. So I'm done adding in the chicken in the pot. It's time for us to season it, and now I'm going to add in my chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. Kindly do subscribe, like, share, and hit on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in the pot, I've added my nutmeg and salt to taste. So now I'm going to add my chopped onion. So guys, now I want to add in bay leaf to give it that sweet and pleasing aroma. So guys, and after this, I'm going to give it a quick stir and cover and allow it to boil for some minutes. While the chicken is boiling, I'm going to prepare our tomatoes for blanching. And this blanching method is the best one for me because it saves time and it makes the stew very nice. It gives it a very nice taste. So guys, you can leave a comment in the comment section how you like to prepare your tomatoes, either by roasting or any method you prefer. Just tell me in the comment section. It's been 10 minutes. And I'm just going to check on the meat, and you can see there's more moisture in the pot than before, which is really good. And I'm going to add little water. Please do not add too much water so that the broth will have a nice taste, which we're going to use for the recipe, and leave to cook until soft. And if you've watched to this extent, kindly like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I upload a new video. Thank you. The meat is ready. I'm going to remove it from heat and put under the oven until golden brown. You can choose to fry or air fry your chicken. These are the other veggies which I'm going to use for the blanching: bell pepper, onion, garlic. And inside the pot now, the tomatoes are already here. I'm going to cover and leave it to simmer for some minutes. So guys, you can see the juice that came out from the tomatoes. I didn't add any water. You can see how good it is. And after this, I'm going to add my other veggies: bell pepper, garlic, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. And after, I'm going to put it in the blender. So leave it at this moment to boil for some minutes.
No
At this point, I want to add in our parboiled veggies. You can see I didn't add any water. I used the tomato juice, and I will leave some links in the description box on how to preserve your bell pepper and tomatoes. So instead of us wasting time preparing this blending or this method, you already have it in your fridge. You're going to see some link in the description box on how to do it. You can see how beautiful, how pretty this. It looks already like cooked stew. I can't wait for this stew to be ready. Anyways, your pot, add in your oil and allow to heat on medium heat. And once it heats up, add in some chopped onions and give it a quick stir and allow it to fry for 2 minutes.
Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city.
Now I want to add in tomato paste. I use 2 tins. And some people prefer adding their blended peppers first, but I prefer adding my tomato paste first. And after, I'll give it a quick stir until we're fried.
I'll never let you go. You've been lost and alone in the city late at night. But I will guide you home.
You have to stir it very well so that your stew won't burn.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in.
Now it's well fried. I'm going to go ahead to add the blended tomatoes and pepper.
No matter the distance, I will always be there.
I'm going to be frying this for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll be coming back to stir it every 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And if you don't stir your stew, it's going to get burnt, and I'm cooking it on low medium heat. So cover and leave it to fry.
You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city late at night. But I will guide you.
Now the stew is well fried. I'm going to add in my bay leaf and chicken seasoning. At this point, it smells very nice. After, I'm going to add in my nutmeg. Now I'm going to add in my thyme, curry powder and salt to taste. I'm also going to leave the full ingredients of this video in the description box.
Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help.
You can taste and adjust seasoning if needed, so I'm going to give it a quick stir.
I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city.
Now I want to add in my chicken stock. My kitchen is smelling very nice now. Leave a comment in the comment section what you like to eat alongside with your stew. For me, I'm going to use this stew to eat alongside with rice. And after, I'm going to add in the chicken gently inside the stew.
Lost and alone in the city late at night.
this point, I'm going to be scooping out some of the excess oil, which I'm going to be using to make another recipe. You can see our stew is well cooked. It tastes exactly like party stew, and it goes well with whatever you want to eat. Leave a comment in the comment section if you will give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed and see you all in my next video. Bye bye and enjoy.